how to replace image in Canva. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can replace an image in Canva. So the process is very easy. All that you guys need to do is simply come on to canva.com, and then once you have Canva opened up, now from over here on your template, all that you guys need to do is firstly click on the left side on photos, and then after that from over here simply choose the image that you want to replace this particular box with. So now from over here I can just simply choose any image, or I can click on upload from the left side and I can upload my own picture as well. So in this case I will just simply use a picture that I have already uploaded over here, and all that you need to do is simply drag and drop that particular image onto the picture that you want to replace. So over here, if I were to move it on this picture is going to be replaced. If I were to move it on this picture is going to be replaced, and now you guys can see that both of these pictures are replaced successfully. So guys, that is how you guys can replace pictures in Canva. You guys can add in your custom pictures as well, or choose from the pictures that Canva has already on their catalog. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.